So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make sure that your sourdough starter is nice and thick. So I knew I was gonna make pancakes this morning, so I fed mine last night, put it in the fridge, and I just made sure that it was really, really thick, so it's scoopable. And you're gonna be taking 2 cups of that out. And you'll see just how thick this is. So for this recipe, you're gonna want 2 cups of thick sourdough starter. The reason why is you want your batter to be thick, so that way you can get nice fluffy pancakes. That is a little trick, have thick batter. After that, you're gonna want 2 eggs into your mix, and you're just gonna mix that through. And then on the stove, I have a 1/4 cup of butter melting, as I'll be putting that into my batter once it has melted. So just pour the butter in and give your mixture a nice mix through so it gets all incorporated evenly. And next I add 1 tablespoon of honey just to give it some sweetness. You can add maple syrup if you prefer as well. Give that a little bit of a mix through. And then I just add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and mix that through. Now, this is the time that if you want to add like chocolate chips or berries into your mix, you would add it in now. Now you want your pan to be preheated, so I have butter in mind. You can use coconut oil as well. Once it gets a bit bubbly, that's when you'll be adding your mixture in. So I use about 2 full tablespoons of mix per pancake, but you can add however amount you want depending on the size that you would like. And now you're just going to let it sit there until bubbles start to form on the top. You want quite a few bubbles. Once you see a lot of bubbles on the top, that's when you know it's ready to be flipped. So I just flip them over 1 time. You only want to flip them over 1 time to keep your pancakes fluffy. If you flip a lot, you'll flatten your pancakes. Leave them there for about 30 seconds to a minute maximum, and then remove them off the heat, and they're ready to be topped with whatever favorite toppings you have. And that's it. That is how easy it is to get delicious, mouth-watering, fluffy sourdough pancakes. These were seriously so good. Let me know in the comments how you went, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again soon.